It's not a bank holiday everywhere, but for large parts of the UK, a three-day weekend is about to begin, and maybe the weather is playing some part in your plans. Unlike the two big weekends we had in May, when the weather was widely warm, dry and sunny, this weekend's forecast is quite a bit trickier. There's more uncertainty involved. So let's take a look at what we do know. Well, unlike some reports in the media, it doesn't look like it's going to be a complete washout. And it also doesn't look like it'll be a heat wave. It could be quite cool, certainly compared to much of this week. And Saturday night especially looks rather chilly. But over the whole 3 days, Saturday looks like your best bet for dry and bright weather. For many, it should be a fine day, just a few showers here and there. But it gets cold on Saturday night, and that leads to a chilly start on Sunday morning. Then, by and large, it should be a fine start to the day with some sunshine before cloud and rain comes in from the west. But there's quite a bit of uncertainty on the timing of that rain. That will then clear away by Monday, and then we're basically looking at sunny spells, a brisk breeze and a fair few showers. But as I said at the start, there is more uncertainty in this forecast. Let's take a look at what's going on, and for that we have to look across to the other side of the Atlantic. Areas of low pressure are developing at the moment, this one producing big thunderstorms, and these two across Canada also developing quite rapidly over the next 24 hours and mixing with the jet stream, that fast-moving ribbon of air high up in the atmosphere. And those low pressure systems and the development of the jet stream then has a knock-on effect to our weather. Moved on now to Thursday and Friday out in the mid-Atlantic. This little kink in the isobars is a developing area of low pressure. It looks fairly innocuous at the moment, and that is the main theme for the forecast on Saturday, for it to track to the south with just potential for it to threaten some rain across the far southwest. But because of those uncertainties with the development of the jet stream, there is still a chance that that could develop into a more vigorous area of low pressure, potentially bringing a bit more wet and windy weather to start the long weekend. But at the moment, it does look as if it'll stay to the south, and for many we'll have fine weather on Saturday. But then out in the Atlantic, again, another area of low pressure developing. And again, if you look at the jet stream, now it's less wiggly, if you like, but it's still playing a part in developing this low pressure system and moving it towards the UK. Now, at the moment, on Wednesday, looking forward to Sunday, because of those uncertainties in the jet stream, there's still some uncertainty about the timing of that rainfall. And obviously that has a big impact, say 6 hours slower, will have a big impact on how the weather looks across the UK on Sunday. But at the moment, it looks like rain will spread in from the west, with some eastern areas maybe not seeing that rain until quite late on Sunday, maybe not until after sunset. So as I said, there is some uncertainty, but overall the weekend looks like being a fairly typical set of 3 days. There'll be some sunshine, there'll be some rain, but there is that uncertainty, so stay tuned to the Met Office forecasts.